Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. I am not a robot. I am here to teach you how to use a robot to write engaging sales copy like a professional copywriter. That's what we're talking about today. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. I'm going to jump right into ChatGPT. I'm going to do a refresh, and we are building off of the previous example. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the previous videos where we're talking about the food truck. That's the example that I'm using for all of these plans. All right, let's jump into it. So I've had to refresh ChatGPT, and I don't think it remembers. So I'm going to tell it again. I am needing help working on sales copy for a food truck located in Miami. I don't think I gotta tell it Miami, Florida. I think it knows Miami, Florida. I'm needing help working on sales copy for a food truck located in Miami that serves handmade sandwiches and is famous for its garlic cheese fries. Okay, what I'm doing now is just trying to tell the robot what I'm dealing with today in hopes that it will remember the context. Okay? So it says, sure, I'd be happy to help you work on your sales copy for your food truck. Okay, so it's already understanding what I'm facing, and it's already starting to give me examples of what I need to be doing. So we're having a conversation. This would be similar to you sitting down with your coworker and start saying, hey, let's brainstorm a little bit. It's already giving me the goods. You can see it. Now, I did make the screen larger from the previous videos so you can actually see the text. All right. So you can see here's what the robot told me. It's saying, number one, emphasize the unique aspect of your food truck. So it's giving me some sales copy for the food truck right away, right off of me just mentioning what I'm thinking about. It's giving me some things to consider right now. Use descriptive language to make your food sound delicious. Words like juicy, tender, flavorful, and crispy. Mention any awards or accolades. Use social proof. So it's giving me some really valuable, tangible advice right now. Use strong, actionable language. And so so it's giving me some good ideas. And so now what I want to do is I want to get a little more detailed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, can you write sales copy for a television commercial for the food truck? Can you write sales copy for a television commercial for the food truck? All right. Let's imagine I got this food truck and I want to get sales. So I'm going to run a local TV commercial. So ChatGPT says, sure, here's some sample sales copy for a television commercial for your food truck. Are you looking for the best handmade sandwiches and garlic cheese fries in Miami? Look no further than food truck name. I didn't give it the name of the food truck. I'll see if I can tell it the name of the food truck. Oh, it ran into an error. Okay. So let's see what we got to do here. We have to refresh. See if, okay. Okay, so it says, do you have any questions about sales copy or marketing for your food truck? Yes, the name of the food truck is Darnell's Food truck. No, let's call it Darnell's Good Eats. The name of the food truck is Darnell's Good Eats. Does that sound good? I don't know. Here is an updated version of the commercial copy with the name of your food truck included. Welcome to Darnell's Good Eats. Let me tell you something. This is more efficient, effective, and entertaining than dealing with a room full of so-called people that will be helping you brainstorm these ideas that are all checking their phones and wasting time, right? So look at this text. Our delicious sandwiches are made with only the freshest ingredients and our garlic cheese fries have won rave reviews from satisfied customers. So here's the information that you'll use in that commercial. We're talking about sales copy right now. So when you think about products, sales copy are the images, video, and text that you see all around you that are designed to get you to buy that product. So I started with a billboard. Where else would you see sales copy? Let's say in an ad in the newspaper. Can you write sales copy for a half-page ad in the local newspaper for the food truck? This is an email that you'll be sending to somebody on your team, right? Then you have to send the email, wait for them to check the email, maybe respond, maybe argue with you on what the definitions of the words that you're using are. But what is the robot doing? The robot's giving you results. So now you already have the text that you can use. You can take this text and then add some graphics and boom, now you got your ad. Looking for the best handmade sandwiches and garlic cheese fries in Miami? Look no further than Darnell's Good Eats. Our delicious sandwiches are made with only the freshest ingredients. So this is excellent that you can take and use this copy in your newspaper ad. Okay, now where else are you going to need sales copy? Let's say you're going to send out some door hangers. Can you write sales copy for door hangers or flyers to be handed out in the community? Can you write sales copy for door hangers or flyers to be handed out in the community? Can you do that, robot? Can you do that? Certainly. Here's some sample sales copy for door hangers or flyers to be handed out in the community for your truck. And so you're getting the sales copy. You got the text. You take the text, and now all you got to do is use a template design and just paste your text, or use your custom images, and next thing you know, bam, you got active sales copy right here. We got a little bit of an error, but the point of this video is to show you how powerful this tool is and to show you how to write professional sales copy. Okay, what's another area where you see a lot of sales copy? All right, we talked about newspaper ads. We talked about local television commercials. Did I do a billboard? Can you write summarized sales copy for a billboard that will be placed on a major road in Miami? Can you write summarized sales copy for a billboard that will be placed on a major road in Miami? We're talking about sales copy. The robot, sure, here's some sample summarized sales copy for a billboard. Okay, now on a billboard, you don't have a lot of room. This is short and sweet copy, and it's explaining what it's giving you. It also includes a call to action to follow up. Okay, let's look at it here. It said, hungry? Stop by Darnell's Good Eats for the best handmade sandwiches and garlic cheese fries in Miami. Local, family owned. Follow us on social media for our latest location. All right. Now, of course, you don't have to use that word for word, but that is taking you so much further than you would have ever been last year before this incredible tool was released. It came out 2022. All right, so that's how you can create incredible sales copy using Chat GPT. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with AI, and I am adding more and more guides about every aspect of modern business. How to use ChatGPT for writing your business plans, social media posts, marketing plans, YouTube scripts, and this episode is about writing sales copy. So make sure you subscribe. You'll also get free reports, 12 businesses to start with AI today, and 31 AI apps to use in your business now. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you share this with your old friends. Until the next time, peace.